This is a tag that says sarcastically, which is something that is not supposed to be read when I'm using the 11 version 3 model in ElevenLabs. But sometimes it's actually being read by AI. Let me give you one example. Take a listen.
Sarcastically, not the burn it all down kind.
So yeah, it is not supposed to be read, but it's there. So this is actually quite a common problem when you are using the version 3 model, perhaps because it is still in alpha, so stuff like that could happen. But how do you fix this problem? Well, unfortunately, there is no proven way, there is no official mention from ElevenLabs to fix this issue, but there are some best practices that are being recommended by the community to prevent that issue from happening when you are creating audio or speech in this particular tool. So according to this user from Reddit, he says that if you add pause, it is making the voice to be more consistent, and it is not going to it is less likely to make AI to read the tag. So just add a simple pause tag at the beginning of your text like this one. And at least according to that user, it is going to reduce the likelihood of AI reading the tag. So it's also very simple trick to implement. Just add the pause tag at the very beginning, and that's about it. Now, another practice that you can try is to actually make sure that the tag is simple, preferably containing only one word. This is a tag that contains multiple words, giggling sound, and it's better to reword it with one simple word. So I guess I'm going to remove this and call it giggles because it is basically the same thing. And this one is whispering tone. I'm going to replace it with just whispers. There you go. So it's also a good practice to prevent or to reduce the likelihood of tag being read by the AI. And finally, another trick that you can try is actually the good old making the text to be as descriptive as possible. So if you make the passages to be longer, it is usually going to contain enough context for AI to produce a more consistent result. So that's basically all the tips and tricks that you can try to prevent the AI in version 3 model in ElevenLabs to read the text. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.